Carrying on with the Enterprise D build, magazine 21. This is part kit 82. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with another continuation of the Star Trek The Enterprise D build from Eaglemoss HeroCollector, sold to us now by Fanhome. This now, magazine 21, we have part kits 82. So let's have a look at the parts we've got on here. 82 is... So we've got a part for the saucer. Looks like we've got parts for the back section, but these windows are so out of line, it's ridiculous. Phaser bank, some lifeboats, a couple of bits to hold the lifeboats in, windows, and some screws. So it looks like it's going to be a simple, just build. The back end, how about build a panel? Oh, and the back end. So it's only on these two parts anyway. So let me get this into a pot, get the screws put in place, cut out all the lifeboats, and get ready for building. Right, so let's get started. Doesn't look like anything's going on the ship at the moment. So looks like we're building this panel and we're just putting that on there. And putting phaser banks and whatever else. So, looks like I need 3 lifeboats. And that's 4. To make sure that this is the right way around, if it's the line facing down. Which it is. So that there, on a port, because you can put, yeah, I can put all 3 in if I want. But I need to get one of these panels, do I? Yes, I do. These 2 parts here, the C, actually, it's not those, is it? Oh, it is. What parts are those? Hang on. Ah, plastic bit's going over afterwards. Okay. Why am I confused? Okay, the R goes, right, so that's that. Ignore that one. Ignore that one. No. Yeah, BR, because BR goes over here. So, the big one, the right one, because I have to spin this round again, goes that way. Okay, and the other one goes with that in the top right-hand corner. So, I want some AM screws, I want 3 of those. AM, perfect. That has got the R upside down, so I'm going to have to spin that round. Yeah, better. Tum-ti-tum. So, yeah. It is nice to continue with this, I think, while I'm carrying on here. I mean, there was a big problem with this. We were all terrified that it was going to be a waste of money, and there's a lot of money put into this model kit already, as it is. I mean, would I recommend doing this? Yes. But if you've got all the parts, and we never had the option of having all the parts before we started, I mean, even at the moment, I'm still a little bit wary of if we've got all of them. But hopefully, we should be okay. That looks a bit rubbish. A bit too wide for the lifeboats. Okay, we'll carry on with it. Is that definitely the right way around? Yeah, looks it to me. So then we've now plastic part, which is over here. This goes in. That way around or not? If it doesn't fit one way, it will fit the other. There we go. And then we get this part here wedged underneath there. Okay, just holding in with the... That's a bit weird. Wrong way around. That's why it's weird. Right, I do need... That doesn't seem to fit right. Okay, let's get a screw and put it in. AM screw, or one of. And I have 2. Oh, dum-de-dum. One into there. One into there. So these are windows, but there's going to have light leaks anyway. There's no LED behind that at all. And that doesn't even look like it fits properly. Not 100% happy with that. Well, the windows are in, it's secure. Let me put that in the right place before I lose it. So that's there, and then I want the phaser bank with 2 DP screws. 2 DP screws, phaser bank. That sits in place. It'd have been better if they would got one big full piece, but we would never be able to put all these parts in one go. It'd make it look ridiculous. There we go. A little bit of tension there. There. Done. So that's that part done then. Have it there. Looks fine. 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 The other side. Yes. 100% certain with that. Might have to chip away some of the metal on there, and the paintwork's a little bit bobbled there as well. Sometimes you get these with the panels anyway. So, not the end of the world, but not easily correctable either. So the next part now, take the battle section, take your plastic part there, put it in place, and then you're done. Okay, done. So that will obviously fall out, but there'll be another part for lights and whatever going on top of that anyway. All your windows are nicely in place. Look at these. Honestly, it's like somebody's just I don't know. It's ridiculous how out of line these windows are. I mean, that's a definite problem with it, but I don't know. I really don't mean it's that way, that way, that way, that way. I'm surprised there's some point in that way, to be honest. So yeah, so we have parts for the next, when it comes next month, when magazine 22 comes. This will definitely be a monthly build anyway, back onto that. Would look if I had the entire lot, then I can get it finished and done for you. But at the moment, that's magazine 21 complete with part kit 82. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon to help out the channel. It doesn't say to put that on, does it? No, that's unfortunate, but fine. I'm not going to put it on without their permission anyway. So yeah, consider being a Patreon to help me out every month, and consider a donation if you like, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.